Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you steps on how you can add pronoun on TikTok. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So before getting started, make sure to update your TikTok application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So then let's get started. So then logged into your TikTok account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and in the right hand side corner you'll be able to see a profile icon. You need to click on it. As you click on the profile icon, you'll be directed to your profile page, and under your username or in profile ID you'll be able to see edit profile. So you need to click on the option. As you click on edit profile, next interface you'll be able to make some changes with your account info or your profile page, and right in between under username you'll be able to see pronoun. In order to add it, just click on add pronoun. As you click on it, next interface, and you'll be able to type in your pronoun. Once you're done typing in your pronoun, click on save in the top right, and then you've added pronoun on your TikTok. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.